Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert an image in Photoshop on top of the background. Okay. First of all, remove the image. Go to File, open image, select the image. Quick selection tool. Oh, sorry, Control Z for back. The point resize bracket. Alter space or right click mouse, go to refine its reduce something smooth feather. I use not feather. Selection layer mask. Hold Control T, alter space, Control T, hold Shift, put your space. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Remove the shadow. Okay.